Right, welcome to our mathematics tutorials. So today we have a Cambridge question, extended mathematics paper 2. The question is saying find the nth term of each of the sequence. We have part A and part B. Solution. So before anything, you can try to attempt the question, then you compare your answer with my solution. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video and share. Right, for part A, whenever you are dealing with sequences, you have to differentiate between an arithmetic sequence and a geometric sequence. So for arithmetic sequence, we will be given the first term and the common difference. For arithmetic sequence, we have first term and common difference. Then for geometric sequence, we have first term again. Then here the first term is A and the common difference is D. Then we have the first term and the common ratio. So now we have to distinguish those sequences between arithmetic sequence and geometric sequence. Right? So in this case, the common difference, we find it by saying T2 minus T1. Then for common ratio, we can find it by saying T2 divided by T1. Right? So the formula for arithmetic sequence is Tn or Un is equal to A plus n minus 1 times D, where A is the first term, n is the number of terms, D is the common difference. Whereas geometric sequence, we have Tn is equal to A r to the power n minus 1, where A is the first term, r is the common ratio, and n is the number of terms. So in this case, we have to distinguish between geometric sequence and arithmetic sequence. So for A, we have 11, 8, 5, 2, negative 1. We can see clearly that our successive terms are being added by a certain number. We have 11, 8 minus 11, that is negative 3. 5 minus 8 is negative 3. 2 minus 5 is negative 3. Minus 1 minus 2 is negative 3. So in this case, it's an arithmetic sequence. Therefore, A is equal to 11 and D, our common difference is what? Is negative 3. So to find the nth term now, we say Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 times D, which is equal to our A is 11 plus n minus 1 times, remember our nth term, our n is n, times common difference 3. So we simplify this bracket, we have 11, negative times positive is minus 11, 3n plus negative 3 times negative 1 is positive 3. Then we have 11 plus 3, which is 14 minus 3n. So this is the nth term for part A, right? So we move on to part B. For part B, we are given 1, 5, 25, 125, and 625. So here we can see that successive terms are being multiplied by a certain number. So we can see that our A is what? Is 1. So since we are multiplying by a certain number, it's our common ratio. We can say T2 divided by T1, which is 5 divided by 1, that's 5. So it's a geometric series. So for geometric series, we said Tn is equal to a r to the power n minus 1, right? So we have 1 times our r is 5 to the power n minus 1. So this one will be 5 to the power n minus 1 for the nth term. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.